Alright everybody, today is November 11th. I just wanted to give a quick little update on the fertilizer experiment with the Fox Farms and the Jack's Nutrients. So, first up we have B1, which is going to be just the Happy Frog soil, no added amendments, nutrients in the soil. It did not end up doing much, so take that as you will. Then next up we have B2, which is just going to be the Happy Frog soil with some added Osmocote into the soil. It grew decently. I was surprised just for the amount of growth we got with just Osmocote. It did get hit pretty hard with the hail. It ended up topping one of my limbs here, and a lot of the leaves you can see took damage as well. It looks like it's just about dormant. So there's that. Then we got B3 here, which is going to be my Happy Frog soil, and it's going to have Jack's Nutrients Part A and Part B. It started off really strong, pushing out tons of new growth. As you can see, new growth, little branches everywhere. And it just it took me by surprise. I was like, wow, this is super nice. It outshined the Fox Farms, I would say tenfold. It was doing truly amazing. I thought I was onto something. Nothing against it still, but it did pretty spectacular this season. I think 6 months that I had this experiment. It did look like it is in dormancy now. So there's that. And last but not least, the true underdog here. This is B4. B4 here, it started off super slow. Didn't give off tons of, side branches or new growth or anything. But it did give off fruit. It gave off some figs, which is super cool for being as young as it is. And the thickness of this trunk, you can see, is superior to what B3 looks like. All the growth on B4 here, which again is just my amendments of the Fox Farms solutions. You can always ask me if you want the names of each one of those. B4 here just did spectacular, but sadly about 2 weeks ago we got some hail and it ended up completely obliterating the apical bud, and it was topped by Mother Nature, really. A lot of the leaves, you can see, just took so much damage. It's really a sad sight, but I'm curious to see if these figs will ripen, because they are pretty sizable. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. So, pretty fun experiment. It's all thanks to Figgy Ed. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Bye-bye.